Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun and exciting video to share with you guys. I know, where have I been? Living under a rock? I've never tried IPSY. Yes, this is my first IPSY bag. Yeah, I am excited. I'm excited to share with you what I got in my bag. Excited for future makeup boxes, subscription boxes. So let's get started. First we have this beautiful makeup bag. I actually really love the makeup bag. It's a nice marble print. It has like a gold zipper and some pink, and it's just fantastic. IPSY zipper. So what's in my bag? I have the Auto Balm Day to Night. Yeah. Shadows on the Go. I've already swatched it. It's so beautiful. So out of all the things that I got, this and like one other item are like, yes, like I know that I'm going to enjoy them. This is the other item that I know for a fact I'm going to enjoy, is the Benefit Super Curling and Lifting Mascara. This is their Roller Lash. Okay, next up we have the LXMI. This is a hydrating illuminator, Goddess Glow. This is an illuminator for your face. We're going to try that out. And then we also got the Hey Honey, Take Away the Drama. And this is a youth boosting honey and copper peel off mask. Exfoliates to lift away impurities and drama. All skin types, and you get 12 milliliters in this. And the last and final item is a lip balm, and it says Glow for a Cause, Lip Love, Flirt. And it's in like a sheer pink shade. So this was what I got in my IPSY bag. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I can't wait to start trying out some of these products. And yes, stay tuned to see them in makeup videos, tutorials, and all that good stuff. I thank you guys so very much for watching. Let me know in the comment section below what you got in your IPSY bag, if it was a little bit different than mine. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Ring that bell also so you don't miss any other upcoming content. And check the description box for additional links. Thank you so very much for watching.